Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing click the button. So we have to defend our statue from noobs. So I just joined, so I don't really know what's going on, so I'm just trying to hit these noobs. Oh no, someone, oh no, let me help you out. Oh, ooh, you barely survived. Alright, let's go click the button. Oh, spinning cube. Oh no. Oh, for a second I thought my screen was moving. But no, it's just the cube. Alright, we have to survive for like 30 seconds. It's gonna be the most stressful 30 seconds. Oh, they barely got on. Come on. Let's go. I think some people fell. Let's go. Alright, let's go click the button. Oh, ooh, I thought it was just some coins and diamonds, but oh, I almost got into that one. Well, I don't think this is gonna last very long, so I just have to avoid it. And then I have to click the button if I can survive. Alright. So it's done. Just gonna grab this one coin and wait for the button. Up. Green platform oh, they thought it was red. It's fine. They respawn. So I clicked it. What happened? I do not want to get near. Oh, it's a sword fight. He says, ha ha ha. Alright, give me Robux, please. Oh, wow. That person's pretty good at PvP. Alright, he won easily. Wow, we're just like microscopic compared to the button. We should get back to our normal size and then we can click the button again. Alright, and we need a extinguisher, fire extinguisher. Come on. Oh, come on, Bacon. Do it. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I don't think he knows how to extinguish. That's fine. We'll just retry. Alright, find the correct pad. Oh, people are just trying to find it, but they can't find it. I don't think there is a correct pad. They're just going everywhere and there's nothing there. That's weird. I don't think there is. Why are they just risking their life? Might as well. And there's no correct pad. Great. There's meteorites. Come on. I don't think they'll get me. They're not spawning on these edges. That's like a life hack. Don't want to get hit by meteorites? Just stay at the end. They won't catch you. Alright, so I am pretty confident that they won't reach me, the meteorites. Because it doesn't seem like they're going anywhere near me. Oh, that one got a little close. And the button got pressed. Oh no. I do not like that. Oh yeah. Blew them right away. Alright. It's that noob. Don't want to get near him. Alright. So ducks are falling from the sky. Make them land in your basket. Bet. You have like 40 seconds. Come on. Let's go. No, I missed that one. Alright. Jump. Gotti. I barely missed that one. Yo, I'm taking everyone's ducks. They can barely get any. Come on. Yo. I'm pretty sure everyone has less ducks than me. So that's helpful. Alright. Let's go. Oh, yes, sir. I won. Alright. So let's press the button. Up. People who got too close. The cake was a lie. Oh no. Wasn't prepared for this one. Oh, yeah? Let's go. Ooh, everyone died. Alright. So what? Oh no, I wouldn't want to go in there. Oh yeah, I was right. Didn't want to go in there. Alright, so let's press the button and there's a noob again. Wonder what he wants this time. Yeah, free admin at my place. Quick dodge the incoming lasers. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Ah, I didn't. Alright, it's fine. The noob also died. So, he tried to move. Well, it's part of the sentence. Don't move. Alright, so let's go. Oh, we're playing Death Run. Has to stop the runners from reaching. Alright. Come on. Let's go. We're almost there. He has a speed coil. So close. Let's go. Come on. Alright. Oh no, it's Baldy. I'm just gonna stay here. And oh, he's hitting me. Oh, that's not good. Gotta run. And when is he gonna be gone so I can press the button? Oh no. He almost caught someone. Come on. Oh yeah. Now he's gone, we can press the button. What is that? Oh, he's a seeker. I have to try not to get found. Alright. I can do that. Just gotta make sure he doesn't find me and I find a good place. I'll just randomly go until I find like a corner. Yeah. And the problem is I don't know what character Big Jake is, so I'm just gonna hide here just in case. And I have to wait like 30 seconds for this. I'm just gonna look at the shop. Alright, particle shop. Not bad. Ooh, I don't have enough for that. And I don't even have enough for these. So, probably gonna save up a lot more for that speed coil. Right? 10 more seconds. So close. 5. Alright. And probably need to check who Big Jake is. Oh, it's Baby Allie. I see. So, oh, it's a trampoline. Alright. At least it's not something dangerous. That was nice of the button. And why is there a screaming face in my head? Well, won't question it. Now, who's gonna press it? Oh, we have boulders. Can I make it? No, I can't. I was so close. If I walked faster, I could have done it. But I walk slow. Mysterious lever, pull it. No, yes. You gotta pull it. Guess what happens now? We fall. And then we get a cutscene. Yes, perfect. So now we are going to press the button, but not me, because I'm walking slowly. That's how you're supposed to walk, slowly. So that's gonna be it for the video. I'll post more later. So that's it for the video. I'm gonna go. Bye.